We'll guide you through how to check and see pending Robux on mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you may be a little bit confused. Perhaps you went and sold something, maybe you got a donation and please donate, and now you're wondering, where has the Robux gone? Well, this Robux is pending. So this is basically mean the Robux is incoming and you've earned it, but it's held in a balance known as pending Robux, and it's essentially a verification period. This is usually between 3 to 7 days, but it can go and be longer, and it's essentially an e-scroll. So you're going to be able to go and see this, and then after it's gone and finished pending, it's going to go and be moved to your usable balance. You can't go and use it. This is essentially a security feature. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about finding this. So you can go and see at the moment I'm in the Roblox app. So to go about this, we actually do need to come out of it, and you need to go and open up a web browser. So you can use Safari on an iPhone, Google Chrome on an Android or another device. It doesn't matter. And now what we're going to need to do is come to roblox.com. So you can tap on the address bar and you want to go and type in roblox.com like so. You can come straight here. Of course, you can go and Google Roblox and come to roblox.com. Otherwise, just go and type in the address roblox.com. Press continue in browser, and what you need to do is go and sign in. I've got my details saved here already. Otherwise, enter in your username or email here and your password, and you can go and press login. And you've been taken to this page here. Press continue in browser again at the bottom. Now, what you need to do is you need to come to the top right, and you're going to go and see the Robux icon, and you need to go and tap on it. And you can find the option My Transactions. Go away, and you can go and just leave the options at the top just as they are. Scroll down, and you're going to find pending Robux. You can see to the right, I've got 14 there. So that's it. Now, it's important to know on Roblox, there is a tax. There's a 30% tax. So if you go and sell something that is 20 Robux, you're only going to go and keep 14. That's what happened here. So that's why I've got 14 there, and I can go and wait for this to go and complete, and then it's going to automatically be moved to my balance and I can go and use it.